This meditation is for anyone who has been unfairly hurt and seeks closure or wants to change someone's narcissistic behavior and make them come back. Use this powerful meditation to turn your pain into love, aimed specifically at the one you desire to come running back to you. You can use this for romantic situations, a crush, an ex, or any specific person you want back in your life. Listen whenever you are feeling upset. It works instantly. And make sure to right click and click loop so you can listen to this overnight. They will face unavoidable consequences and regret with full clarity of mind until they come running back to you. Now let's begin. No matter what they are doing or who they are with, they aren't thinking about me. No matter what they are doing or who they are with, they are obsessing over me. No matter what they are doing or who they are with, they are wanting to be with me. They are so obsessed with me. They are addicted to me. They stutter while talking to me because they are overwhelmed by their love for me. I am in a perfect relationship with them. They choose me forever. They choose me now. They choose me instantly. They choose me over everyone else. They choose me over everything. I am the only one they think of constantly. I am the only one they want to spend time with. I am the one they want now. They only have eyes for me. They only want me now. They daydream about me all the time. They make scenarios about being in a relationship with me. They call my name while sleeping. They make the first move on me instantly. They make the first move on me now. They ask me out now. They give me their number instantly. They are flustered around me. They FaceTime me all the time. They always start a conversation with me. They are overly excited to meet me now. They are approaching me first instantly. They are addicted to me and it's obvious. They have always wanted to be near me. They admire me. They text me while I'm listening to this meditation. They have a crush on me. They love me. They try to see me all the time. It's natural for them to be obsessed with me all the time. It's natural for them to stare at me whenever they get a chance. They confess to me out of nowhere today. Everyone wants us to be together. Their urge to talk to me is getting higher and higher. We make eye contact all the time. We talk all the time. I am their main focus in life right now. They want me by their side forever. It's natural for them to be the first to start a conversation between us. It's natural for them to be the one that asks me out. It's natural for them to like me. Our eyes find each other easily all the time. They love making the first move on me. They love talking to me first. They are always thinking about messaging me. I always get their notification on the phone. They always talk to me first. Whenever they think about me, they show it instantly. They always go out of their way to see me and talk to me. I am so grateful that they want to date me now. I am grateful that they have just confessed their love for me today. They always find a way to talk to me. They always find a way to keep the conversation between us going. Their family and friends love me and want us together. They are always trying to make eye contact with me. They smile whenever they see me or hear my name. They always notice me first. Every day we become closer and closer. Every day they make the first move on me. I am easily approachable. I love myself. I am happy and fulfilled. I value myself. I am super attractive. Every day they text me. I am confident. I have inner peace. I manifest easily. I manifest instantly. Everything goes in my favor. I manifest in under 3 seconds. My desires manifest in under 3 seconds. I already have my desires. I am a master at manifesting. It's natural for me to manifest easily. It's normal that I get whatever and whoever I want. I am grateful that my manifestation came to life instantly. They can't stop smiling or laughing when they are with me, think of me, or see me. They spend all of their time staring at me. They make eye contact with me all the time. They try to touch me all the time. They want our hugs to last forever. They dream about me constantly. They create opportunities to touch me or to speak to me. They blush when talking to me or when seeing me or when thinking about me all the time. They feel tingles all over their body when thinking about me. I am all they are thinking about at this moment. They feel a pull towards me. They are turned on all the time by the thoughts of me. They deeply desire me. They miss my presence all the time. They fantasize being near me at this moment. It is already done. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. To affirm, write in the comments, they deeply desire me now. The more you listen to this, the more they will be filled with sorrow and regret until they come back to you. And if you need more help making someone come back to you, let me help you by manifesting them for you. It is really simple for you. All you have to do is click the link in the description box below or head to joybyjanell.com. My clients are getting their special persons back extremely fast. Subscribe if you enjoy these meditations and click this next one to continue on with your love journey. I will see you in the next meditation. And until then, have a wonderful day.